Today is 14th November, the Diabetes World Day. Diabetes is a serious condition where your blood glucose level is too high. It can happen when your body doesn't produce enough insulin or the insulin isn't effective, or when your body can't produce any insulin at all.
We've got 3 types of diabetes. When you've got type 1 diabetes, you cannot make any insulin at all. If you've got type 2 diabetes, it's a bit different. The insulin you make either can't work effectively or can't produce enough of other diabetes, include gestational diabetes, where some women may go on develop during pregnancy. And now please continue with us. We have some blood sugar tests.
Your blood sugar is 113. Your blood sugar is 103.
Okay, thank you.
Your blood sugar is at 101.